Today I'm going to share with you my latest haul from Jackson's, and it's really small in comparison to the one that I did last time, and that was a very large haul, so that's why I haven't had to do an order from Jackson's for quite a long time, because that one was in excess of £500. So this one's quite small in comparison, though I have a few items, but I still managed to spend over £70. So let's get into the haul and the items that are in this box. So the first item out of the box is this pair of canvas pliers. I've been waiting to get some of these for a while, and particularly after the last canvas I made, I found it quite difficult to stretch the canvas, so these will come in handy, and I may do a video using these in the future. So here we have a Winsor & Newton Monarch size 14 brush. This is one of my favourite brushes that I use, I would say not daily, but daily when I'm painting, and it's really good for blending out. I've recently started using one set of brushes for light oil paint and one set of brushes for dark oil paint, and this is particularly important for when you're using a filbert, because you need to keep it dry. So that's why I decided to order another one of these. It was fairly expensive at £21, but it's a really useful investment for me because I do use this brush a lot. So now on to the most expensive item in the order. This actually cost me £31, and as you can see, it's very well wrapped. It doesn't matter how expensive the item is or how inexpensive the item is, you'll find that if you order something from Jackson's, it's always well wrapped. This is the Michael Harding Cadmium Orange paint, and the reason I ordered this is because I found that I'm using orange more frequently in my work. I always use Michael Harding paints because they are naturally made, and I just showed you there the label on the side of the packaging asking it to me recycle, which I always try to do, whether it's in artwork or packaging. The next item here is an aluminium panel which costs £3.50, and it explains that the surface has a smooth grey satin finish that can be primed white if desired, ready for use with all types of painting media. And I bought this because it's a sample. If you take the time to have a look on the Jackson's website, you will find that there is a wide variety of up to, I think, about 300 or 400 different samples. You can get papers, you can get oil pastels, you can get watercolour paints, oil paints, and they are fairly inexpensive if you wanted to try something out. So I'm looking forward to trying the aluminium panel out with some oil paints at some point, because it's got a really smooth surface. So I have one more item that arrived today, and that is from Amazon. It was actually packaged like this. There was no packaging at all, just my name and address label on the front. This happens sometimes with Amazon. I don't know whether you found this. Put in the comments whether your items have arrived with no packaging at all. I think it's just part of the whole eco-friendly vibe now that's happening, where they're trying to save on packaging, which I'm totally for. I think it's a good thing. This lamp that I've bought, I don't know whether you can see much of it, is to go on the top of my easel, and I struggled to find one that didn't plug into a computer. It'd be no good plugging into a computer because I'm quite far away from my computer with my easel, so I wanted one that plugged into the mains, and I'm really looking forward to trying this because I've been struggling recently. I've had to move out of the conservatory because it's winter here in the UK. If you would like to see my biggest ever Jackson's haul, then click on the clip above. If you would like to see more art product reviews, then click on the link below.